Welcome back. Goa government has transferred 7 officers with the rank of joint Mamlatdars to the rank of Mamlatdars. It is also mentioned that the officers shall take charge of their duties as per the need and workload at both the places.
दशरथ गावस, मामलेदार बारदेस, अनिल सरदेसाई, मामलेदार पेडणे, राजेश आजगांवकर, जॉइंट मामलेदार पेडणे, स्नेहल प्रभु, जॉइंट मामलेदार सालसेट, त्रिवेणी वेलिप, जॉइंट मामलेदार पोंडा, शंकर गांवकर, मामलेदार सांगे, विशाल कुंडयकर, मामलेदार सालसेट. The officers are intimated to hand over and take over their duties within 3 days before 29 November and submit compliance. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It was a panicky morning at Zuari Nagar on Wednesday. Locals complained that the water supplied to them is contaminated. They suspected a chemical leakage from nearby Zuari Agrochemicals. Health officers have collected the water samples and have asked the locals not to consume water till further orders.
Panic struck Zuari Nagar on Wednesday following reports of contaminated water supply. The residents suspect some chemical leakage from Zuari Industries. They complain that the water gives bad odor. Some experienced eye irritation after using water.
सकाळी आमी 6:30 उठले न्हू अशें उठले तोंड धुवपाक गेलो ना चेवडो म्हाजो चेवडो म्हणलो दोळे उरपाता म्हणपाक लागलो हांव म्हणलें कितें जालें ना उदकान कितें येता म्हणलो वास मागीर हांवें मागीर तें राव म्हणलें पळया हांवें पळोवन हांवें तें घेतलें सारको वास मारलो उदकाचो जेन्ना हांवें दोळ्या कडेन वळ्ळें म्हाका दोळे म्हाका उरपाक लागले.
More than 50 houses are affected with this contaminated water supply. Sankwal Sarpanch Ramakant Borkar reached at the site.
उदका सारको स्ट्रॉंग कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड स्मेल येतालो. जुवारी एग्रो केमिकल्स जी फॅक्टरी लागीं आसा सो आमकां सदां दुबाव कितें आसता फॅक्टरी लागीं आसल्या कारणान तेंगेले कितें तरी खंयच्यान सिपेज आसता म्हूण पूण आतां पळोवंक गेल्यार तेंगे जे आहा ती हांगसर आमोनिया पायपलायन खंयच ना तेंगे ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन जें जाता तें बाय टँकर्स सो आतां खंयच्यान सिपेज जाता आनी कशी सिपेज जाता हो आतां विशय आहा सोदपाचो.
The Zuari officials also reached at the spot.
Ammonia is coming, but final analysis have to come. So that's why we are waiting for the analysis. There is no pipeline. The ammonia is transported to tankers.
The health officer has collected water sample and has asked the residents not to consume water till further orders.
So it now looks to be clinical. It looks like ammonia smell, but we need to confirm it. We have given IC information to all people not to consume this water till the further information by the health authority.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
The High Court has allowed the Goa government to proceed for auctioning the land of Rajiv Gandhi IT habitat at Donapaula. The court has cleared that allotment of land through auction will be subjected to final order of the court. The court is hearing a petition challenging constitutional validity of Rajiv Gandhi IT Habitat Allotment Abolition Act. While hearing a petition challenging Goa Rajiv Gandhi IT Habitat Cancellation or Abolition and Regulation of Allotment of Plots Act 2012, the High Court on Wednesday said that Goa government can go ahead for auctioning the land of Rajiv Gandhi IT habitat at Donapaula. The High Court observed that auctioning or inviting tender is better in large public interest, but the High Court has cleared that the allotment of land through auction or tender before final disposal of the petition will be subjected to final order of the court. The petition has been filed by one of the previous allottees of land to develop non-IT based business premises in Habitats area. The High Court will continue the hearing of this matter on Thursday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.